putting in my one-way tunnel for squirrel removal. See what the squirrels did? So they're going to come out of this one-way tunnel and they can't get back in. January 24th. It works. They hear them running in the attic. This is one tunnel, and then the other holes were all sealed. 973-417-9715. I also have a one-way tunnel for raccoons. This is for gray squirrels. They chewed the hole here, and they're running rampant in this house. That's it. Pine Brook, New Jersey. It's cold, but I got to get this done before the blizzard. I'm going to screw this in here. And this is stainless steel. They cannot chew around this, and they are inside. I just heard them. So they're going to come out to get food and water, jump on the roof, try to get back in the house, and the whole house is guaranteed they cannot. 973-417-9715. The best way to do it. I'm not even going in the attic. Let's go.